What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the slow mobile data issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off airplane mode 2 to 3 times. So after doing this, it will refresh the network connection, and after refreshing the network connection your mobile data speed will increase. But after doing this, if you are still facing the slow internet or slow mobile data issue, then check your network signals. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your signals are weak. So move to an area where you can get good signals, and after getting good signals the mobile data issue will be fixed. But if your signals are good but you are still facing the slow mobile data issue, then the last solution is try reinserting the SIM. So take out the SIM from your phone, and after taking out the SIM, clean the SIM card with a clean cloth, and after cleaning the SIM card, insert it back in, and after that the slow mobile data issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the mobile data slow issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.